Okay. Now let us pass on to the next problem, that is non-linear analysis. As per the notes which I have given, in that it is a P8, that is program number 8. So non-linear analysis. We have to determine a large displacement. So I'll go for preference, structural, H method, okay, preprocessor, element type, add, edit, delete, add, same as it is. We will go for beam, but when you are selecting, don't select a 2D elastic 3, just go for 2 noded 188 element. This is a new element for a non-linear analysis. Next, no need of taking a real constants here. Directly we will jump on to the material properties. Material models, structural, linear, elastic, isotropic. The Young's modulus which is given in the question is 30 e power 6. We may change Young's modulus also while giving the question. So be careful. Okay. After that, we will go for sections. Then go for beam. In that, select a common section. You have B and H value. The B value which is given in the question is 0.2 and the H value which is given in the question is 0.25. Okay. Then click on OK. Before clicking on OK, just click on a preview. So you'll get a preview of a beam. Before clicking on OK, just click on preview, then click OK. And after that, go for modeling, create nodes, inactive CS. First node you have 0, 0. Second node you have 6, 0. So this is a nodes which is created. Go for elements, auto number, through nodes, select first node and a second node. Select the first node and a second node. Okay. Then after that, go for a loads, define loads, apply structural displacement on nodes. As usual, first node is fixed. I'll go for all DOF and I'll click a displacement value as 0 and I'll give OK. Then after that, go for loads again. Loads, define loads, apply structural, go for force on moment, then click on nodes, click it on 2 and give OK. Change the direction as Fy and give a force moment value as -1000. -1000 means it is downwards value which is given in the question. So this is a value. Then after this, go for solution, analysis type, new analysis. Here we will select a static analysis. And I'll give OK. After that, go for solution control. You will get this, tab. After that, just go for analysis options. Select a large displacement static. As in the question, they are asking for a larger displacement. We will select a large displacement. Then after that, automatic time step. Here you make it on. The number of substeps, here you make it 10 number of substeps, and here maximum number of steps is 1000 and minimum number of steps is 1. Then after that, go for a frequency here. Select a write every nth substep. Then after that, select a non-linear. In the line search, select again on. And in maximum number of iterations, just type it 100. Then give OK. After that, go for solution, solve, current L is key. Solution is done. Close that tab, close this tab, you will get this graph. You should show this graph. Then after that you have not given a results until now. So we will go for general post processor. Plot results, deform shape, deform plus undeformed shape. Okay, so this is a larger displacement value, that is 5.8. If you want, you can select a contour plot here, go for nodal solution, go for DOF solution, go for displacement vector sum and give OK. This is a larger displacement value. After that, please see here at the top you have plot controls. Go for animate, go for overtime. Okay, select a DOF solution, select use sum, then give OK. You will get an animated result. But the value of larger displacement is 5.8. This is called as nonlinear analysis.